So you get one, which is 2 pairs, all right? 2 pairs, 4 pairs, 6 pairs of socks. These are cotton socks. They come in different colors if you want. They have different sizes. And this came in a perfect time because why? We're actually going to a party and I'm going to be using these, all right? These are comfortable. I love them where they're, especially when they're brand new. So let's start using a pair, all right? I just got these just for a perfect size for me and comfortable. So let's put them together and start using them and you'll see me in action with them. All right, check this out. These are actually extra padded on the bottom, especially where you're going to be walking more. If you guys can see the bottom of the footing, all right. Of course, this is the curved part, all right. If you're flat-footed, still works. Don't worry. But this is where you're actually curved from the shoe, and they're made nicely stitched, all right, and comfortable. And we're gonna wear these today, all right. So I'm gonna show you guys, prove you guys that how comfortable they are. I'm gonna be wearing them to we're going to a party all day. So might as well put them to use. All right, after a long day, socks are still in contact. They feel perfect, very comfortable. I didn't have any issues. I like that they come in a lot of pairs. And here comes my cat to say hello to me because he just got home right now. But my feet are tired. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and you need some socks. These are it for parties, for regular everyday use. Perfect.